This is a quick unboxing video of the iSpring water system. It's a 5-stage RO system model RCC7. I'll have more videos on what's actually inside the box, but this is just unboxing video. So these 4 boxes and the manual and some paper testing data sheet was all inside of that box. So I'm going to open one box at a time and go through what's in each box. So here we have, it says an RO system. Comes really well packaged. There's one more box, little box in there. Let's set it up right here. The system is very well labeled. So you have 1, 2, 3. This is the 4th, and then here's the 5th stage, and then the 6th stage. So this is an actual 6-stage system. And then let's see what's in this box. I'm not really sure what this is yet, but we'll find out. Battery. So after reading the user manual, it looks like it's a water leak alarm. Not really sure how it works, but I guess it detects whether you have a water leak. My guess this is a tank, the little stand. It's fairly light. It's because it's empty. Next we have the cartridges, filters, and tubing. So here's my stage 1, what it looks like. It's a clear housing with a 5 micron sediment filter, melt blown I think. Here's my stage 2 with a GAC or GOC carbon filter. It's a granule carbon filter. Here's my stage 3 with a carbon block CTO filter, and then my colored tubing. And here we got the last box where we got our RO membrane, our faucet. This one's pretty nice. This handles for the membrane housing and for the other 3 housings. Some saddle for the drain, and O-rings and fittings and such things. So there you have it. That's what was all in the box. Doesn't seem like it's a lot. I'll do another video of installing it, so thank you for watching. I'll go in more depth when I'm going to be installing it. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll have a link to the system in the description. Thank you for watching.